Welcome to Lakes at Riverbend in Navassa, North Carolina, where your family's dream home awaits. Lakes at Riverbend offers a peaceful retreat just 10 minutes from the vibrant heart of Wilmington. I'm Jenna, and I can't wait to tell you all about what Lakes at Riverbend has to offer. Escape the hustle and bustle without sacrificing convenience. Discover Lakes at Riverbend, a charming new community with amenities nestled just outside of Leland, North Carolina. Enjoy all the perks of Leland living, nearby shopping and conveniences with easy access to Wilmington, all with lower taxes and less congestion. In nearby Wilmington, you can explore the city's rich history, diverse dining options, and enjoy world-class shopping and entertainment. Plus, you'll have prime access to I-140, which connects you effortlessly to Mayfair Town Center, Wrightsville Beach, and the beautiful beaches of Brunswick County. At Lakes at Riverbend, you're not just buying a house, you're creating your new home. Begin by selecting your perfect home site. Choose from a variety of options, including peaceful wooded settings and home sites adjacent to wooded space. Next, choose from a range of thoughtfully designed floor plans to suit your lifestyle and family needs, including main-level living and two-story homes. But the real magic happens when you personalize your home. At Lakes at Riverbend, customization is key. Upgrade your kitchen with premium appliances, enhance your living spaces with gas fireplaces, choose from a variety of elegant lighting options, create flexible spaces that perfectly suit your needs. But that's not all. Lakes at Riverbend boasts a 5,000 square foot clubhouse equipped with state-of-the-art fitness center and inviting common spaces for social gatherings. Enjoy the outdoor pool on warm summer days, challenge friends to a game of pickleball, or take a leisurely stroll along the walking trails that wind through the community. Our dedicated team will guide you through every step, ensuring your vision becomes a reality. Experience the freedom of creating a home that truly reflects your unique style and preferences. Take the next step and sign up to get started today. I can't wait to welcome you home.